Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today, cooking some easy, simple hash browns on the Blackstone Griddle. Now let's get started. Right here I have, this is clarified butter that I made. I'm going to throw a little bit of it down. You can use oil, or you can just use regular butter. A little bit of that down. That might have been a little much, but be alright. And I'm going to use the frozen shredded hash browns. And these are frozen, or they're still frozen. And I'm going to take two good sized handfuls, lay them down there like that. Just kind of spread them out a little bit. And I'm just going to let these cook for probably 2 or 3 minutes. Over here, a little more butter. And I've got some onions and some mushrooms that I sliced up. Put them over here. Now I've got this burner set on low, and this burner is set on medium. Go ahead and add just a little bit of salt to the onions and the peppers. And you know we're going to add some cracked black pepper, or this is actually not just black pepper, it's got like 5 different peppers. It's got black, red, and white, and a few different peppers in it. Hash browns been cooking for a couple minutes. Go ahead and flip them over and see what they're looking like. Looking pretty good. I just like to rake everything together, because I want these hash browns to hold together. Just kind of rake them up like that. Press them down. You add a little more butter around them. And we'll just let them cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip our mushrooms and onions a little bit. Man, this is going to be mighty fine. We got more ingredients going on too. So. Hash browns been going probably another 2 minutes or so. Let's flip them and see what they're looking like. Looking pretty good. Let them cook for another minute or 2. Peppers and mushrooms looking mighty fine. Or onions and mushrooms is what I meant to say. And right here's what I got is this diced ham, already diced up for us, so pretty good stuff, using, you know, like omelets and stuff like this. Try and grab a little bit and put it back here. Ought to be good. We'll add a little more. Now, give them a flip. Check on our hash browns, been a couple more minutes. See if they're holding together better yet. Holding together pretty good. And they're almost done. Hash browns been cooking probably another minute on that side. Let's go ahead and flip them again. Oh yeah, looking pretty good to me. Now what I'm going to do is mix all these onions, mushrooms, ham together right here. Move the hash browns over here on this low side. I'm actually going to turn the heat off on, pretty much, I'm just going to turn the heat on the both sides, or the heat off on both sides, excuse me. Now what we're going to do, I've got some of this triple cheese. Just add a little layer right here. And I like to top mine with a lot of shit, so we're going to put all these onions, mushrooms, ham right over top of that. Every bit of it. Now that we got all that on there, now let's load it down with some cheese. You know what's real good on this too is just some good old processed American cheese. It's real good on it too. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I got me one of these covers here. I'm just going to cover it up. Also don't hurt. I done did it, but I forgot to hit the record button. But you spray a little bit of water around it. Cover it up just to create some steam to help melt the cheese. So after about 2 minutes or so, there's what we got. Looking mighty fine, I tell you. Put a little bit of green onion on top of it just to make it look a little fancy. Now, let's try these bad boys out. Get them on the plate. Man, let's give these hash browns a try. See how they are. Man. Sure was some mighty fine hash browns, y'all. Only thing it needs, a little ketchup, I think. Appreciate it if y'all would like, subscribe, and comment. Let's keep this thing going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.